So my guest now has developed a rub made from herbs and spices that has several health benefits, I'm told. Joining me now, creator and managing director of Miracle Fire Rub. I won't call him Jah Mikes. Now, but I give them your earth name or your birth name. Morning, Bridget. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. How are you?
Fine, brethren.
Yeah, man.
Love and respect.
Respect.
Yeah, man.
Might call your name quiet.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. What we talking about? Miracle Rub. What is this?
All right. Before I get into that, I want to give thanks and praise unto the Most High. And give thanks and praise unto for life and more life-giving every time.
Rastafari.
Rastafari.
Yeah.
Well, Miracle Fire Rub is an all-natural, all herbal, no preservative, no additive, no side effect, all natural pain remedy that has a lot of different uses and functions.
All right, tell me some of the uses and functions.
Swellings, poor circulation, numbness, cramps, and it list goes on and on.
Whoever came up with it, how did they come up with it? I'm not certain if you were the person who came up with this, but what kind of herbs and spices we're talking about?
Well, I can't give away the secret but I can tell you it's things that you use in the kitchen every day. Gingers and peppermints and things that you use to cook. So it's all edible.
But you don't put it that way. You rub it
on, yeah. People are drinking it now, though, never. And I'm telling them it's not made for drinking. But they're still using it for toothaches and things like that.
And it works for that.
And it also working.
I suspect that you have proven that this works.
Over and over and over again, right across the universe at this time.
So if I have a little pain, how I use it? I use it once a day, 3 times a day, once a week, how I use it?
You can use it. It's designed to be used like twice a day.
Okay.
Depending on how much pain you have. But I suggest that you don't use it too much time for the day, like over 4 times, because then it may be irritable.
Okay.
To the skin.
Yeah. We have different sizes and different looks here. Are they all the same thing? Because this one look like it have a whole heap of leaf and thing inside there. I don't know if it's leaf or what, but are they all the same thing here?
It's variation of the same thing.
Okay.
This is the mother. The first one you touch is the mother that gave birth to all others here.
Yeah. So can I use all of them for the same pain, or it is some of them specific to certain things that might happen to you?
Well, these variation in sizes, but like this is a painkiller that we use is mostly for, say, people with severe pain, cancer, strokes, that they have a lot of stiffness and numbness, and they can move their joints because it's great for joint pains and various arthritis.
So what you do, you just rub it on the area?
Rub it on, the pain is gone. Rub it twice, then you feel nice. That's the slogan.
Rub it on, the pain is gone. Rub it twice, and you feel nice. And does it, you put a whole heap on it, or just a little touch? What you do?
That's the secret about it. You just use a pinch. And you rub it into the skin until your hands get dry. And then you repeat it twice and repeat it 3 times. That's one dosage.
Yeah. You said it might irritate you if you do it too often. And what would happen? What, you get a rash? What happens?
Well, the thing is, you have different skin types for different people.
Right.
So it was designed really for, say, 3 times maximum per usage per day.
Okay.
So we don't know the type. We're just catering to the various kind of skins.
So you're saying this is because this one also looks a little different than the rest?
That is for beautiful skin. Say you have a boil, and you may have certain skin rashes like eczema or psoriasis that you want to get rid of. That's for the skin perfectly. It's not for...
This one?
That's for the skin.
All right. What about this fellow here?
Well, this is the same thing as this, without the herbal content.
Same thing?
Same thing, different size.
Same thing?
Same thing, different size.
Same thing?
Yeah.
Same thing?
Yeah, same exact.
So it's just this one that's a little different from the rest?
The rest, exactly.
Okay. Where can we get them?
Well, you can get them presently now by calling my number, 876-808-5903, or 1-876 581-5116, and it will be in the stores shortly.
Is it a new product?
It's a new product, but it's been around, as I said before, undercover, doing the thing, but testing it out on the people.
Yeah.
But it's taking the world. It's a phenomenon right now.
Yeah, man. Good to see you, Michael.
One love, bread and bread.
Blessings.
Yeah, man.
Creator and Managing Director of Miracle Fire Rub, Michael Nichols. Taking us to the break with the fire dance is Lucky Star.